How to turn on spell check on Android phone. Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to do so that you can type without mistakes. So let's just get started. Open up Settings app on your Android phone, and this is where all the phone system options are located. Now from here, look out for location and input. You can go to General Management or System, something like that, and basically look out for language and input depending upon your device. And here what we can do is we can look out for our keyboard settings. So go to Samsung keyboard settings or any other keyboard settings available. And we can just go over and turn on the option for, predictive text or, you know, other options such as spell check, auto correction, turn it on. In this, we have this option called suggest text corrections. Tap on it and you can just go over and turn this option on. And once you turn it on, your Android keyboard will highlight spelling mistakes and help you type correctly. You can use this method. We also have many other options such as auto replace. If you want to replace it, you can turn it on. Text shortcuts, more typing options, many more. You can just go and turn it on and look out for it. Predictive text, suggest emojis, etc. And basically turn on autocorrection and spell check. But that is how you should be able to do it. And that's it. Now you've successfully enabled the spell check on your Android phone. So if this guide helped you, like, comment, and share for more Android tips.